All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Calliope level, otherwise known as level number 18, from the Hades CTF labs on hackmyvm.eu. So the first thing we need to do on any one of these levels is we need to take a look at the contents of the mission.txt file. Okay, so let's take a look at mission.txt. So it says the user Calypso. So the target user whose password we need to get is the Calypso user. So often uses write to communicate. So they use write to communicate. And what they're referring to here is actually a command called write. So you might think that this is just part of a sentence, but it's not, because the Spanish translation here also specifies the word write, which is not write in Spanish, of course. So what is this write command? So if we try to figure it out, we could do we also have an SUID binary that we need to investigate as well. It's called write_me. And we see that write_me is an SUID binary that's owned by root and also part of the Calliope group. So we're trying to access the Calypso user. So this is an SUID binary. So we can run it as SUID, which means it's running as the root user. So if we just run write_me, we get these, this output over here. So cannot send you my pass, cannot send you my pass. So what's actually going on? So if we know that there's a command called write, then that's being used here, we need to understand what exactly is going on. So the write command, there's no, okay. So the write command on Linux, it's not commonly used anymore, but it's a command that can be used to send a message to another user. So write allows you to communicate with other users by copying lines from your terminal to theirs. When you run the write command, the user you are writing to gets a message of the form, message from blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about this before we go and solve the challenge. So Hades level 18, the Calliope level, we're doing write SUID binary. So in this level, we're presented with a message that the write program is being used to communicate. And we're presented with an SUID binary in our home directory. So we know that write is a program and not just a part of the sentence, because it's referenced by name in both the English and Spanish mission descriptions over here. So when we run the SUID binary, it appears that we can't receive messages. But the documentation for the write command lets us know about another command, which is called message. So let's take a look. So this is the write man page over here. And it says, see also message, talk, and who. So what is the message command? It's related to write. So we do man ms message, MSG. Okay, so what is the message command in this case? So message is display or not display messages from other users. So message option no or yes. Message utility is invoked by a user to control write access others have to the terminal device associated with standard error output. If write access is allowed, then programs such as talk and write may display messages on the terminal. So there's basically two things we can do with this program. We can use n, the n argument, to disallow messages, or we can use the y argument to allow messages to be displayed. So this is how you use the message command. So if you just use the message command by itself, it says is n, which means that we can't receive messages. So when we run the write_me SUID, it might be trying to send a message to us, but because message is set to no, we cannot receive the messages. So what we need to do is just set message to yes. And then after that, we can run the SUID binary again. Okay, so it says cannot send you my pass. So I'm guessing that a lot of people are trying to send us their password, but we see two passwords over here that might be the Calypso user's password. So we're just going to copy both of these. And we're going to try to log in as the Calypso user. Okay, so before we do that, let's just, so these are two passwords. I think this is our password actually. Let's take a look. So, oh, we don't have a password. Okay, so we're just gonna have to guess which one of these is the Calypso user's password. Let's try this one first. Okay, paste in the password. Is this it? That's not it. Okay, we'll try the other password. So the other password was this. Moment of truth. Okay, that was the password. So the password is actually this one over here, the one that starts with T. Okay, so let's go back. All right, everybody, this was a guided walkthrough for the Calliope level, otherwise known as level number 18 from the Hades CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.